Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for high-end home decor and interior design inspiration. Today we are exploring the unique art of blending festive Christmas luxury with the breezy, elegant vibes of spring and summer styling. We have curated 14 breathtaking concepts to help you maintain a sophisticated, celebratory atmosphere in your home throughout the warmer months. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our latest design secrets. Transform your entryway by blending crystalline Christmas ornaments with fresh, oversized white peonies and hydrangeas. Silver-leaf garlands can be draped over mirrors to mimic the sparkle of frost under the warm summer sun. This approach creates an immediate sense of luxurious cooling as guests step in from the heat. The metallic accents serve as a bridge between winter elegance and summer brightness. Incorporate gold-dipped pine cones and metallic spheres into your coffee table displays alongside lush green succulents. Velvet cushions in soft emerald shades evoke a forest floor while maintaining a plush, high-end comfort level. Use sheer gold-threaded curtains to catch the afternoon light, reminiscent of shimmering holiday tinsel. This style balances the richness of the holidays with the organic growth of the spring season. Red coral branches and crimson silk ribbons can surprisingly evoke a maritime holiday feel when paired with driftwood accents. Use white linen table runners and crystal glassware to keep the aesthetic light and airy for summer entertaining. Fine bone china with delicate red filigree brings a regal touch to every meal served. The combination is both vibrant and sophisticated, offering a festive twist on traditional coastal themes. Dress your bed in high thread count white silk linens accented by faux fur throws in a light cream palette. Ornate silver lanterns placed on nightstands can house flickering LED candles to recreate a cozy winter glow. Soft lavender sprigs tucked into silver vases provide a seasonal fragrance that complements the cool visual tones. This sanctuary offers a peaceful escape that feels like a boutique winter lodge in the middle of July. Refresh your kitchen island with marble trays featuring frosted glass jars filled with mint leaves and white berries. Hanging miniature silver wreaths on cabinet doors adds a subtle celebratory touch without overwhelming the functional space. Polished chrome hardware and white ceramic canisters enhance the clean, bright atmosphere of a summer morning. It is a crisp and invigorating way to keep the spirit of luxury alive in the heart of the home. Your outdoor lounge can benefit from durable faux pine garlands intertwined with strings of warm white fairy lights. Place bowls of fresh green pears and silver-painted walnuts on side tables for an organic yet opulent snack display. Weather-resistant velvet pillows in sage green provide a tactile link to traditional holiday fabrics. This setup allows you to enjoy an elegant, starry night ambience during warm summer evenings. Suspend prismatic crystal ornaments from your ceiling fans or indoor trees to scatter rainbow light across the room. Use white wicker furniture with plush silver gray cushions to maintain a lightweight, summer-ready aesthetic. The interplay of glass and sunlight mimics the dazzling effect of sun on fresh snow. It creates a magical, ethereal space that celebrates light in all its forms. Line your hallways with slender silver consoles topped with deep red roses and frosted eucalyptus leaves. Framed botanical prints in ornate gold frames add a sense of history and grandeur to the transition spaces. Low-profile velvet runners in a soft champagne hue dampen sound and add a layer of luxury underfoot. This concept ensures that even the corridors of your home feel intentionally styled and festive. Elevate your bathroom with silver scallop soap dishes and white towels tied with satin silver ribbons. A small tabletop tinsel tree in a pearlescent finish can hold designer jewelry or luxury scent diffusers. Blue-toned glass jars filled with bath salts resemble crushed ice and add to the cooling summer sensation. This creates a refreshing high-end spa environment that feels celebratory and indulgent. Classic leather-bound books look stunning when interspersed with small, whitewashed wooden nutcrackers and silver bookends. A sprig of evergreen placed in a crystal bud vase brings a woodsy winter scent to your reading nook. Soft cashmere shawls draped over armchairs provide a luxurious layer for those cooler spring nights. It is a sophisticated nod to holiday traditions within a timeless, intellectual setting. Decorate your breakfast table with champagne-colored ornaments nested in bowls of fresh lemons and limes. The zesty citrus colors pop against the metallic holiday bonds, creating a vibrant morning energy. Use gold-rimmed glassware for juice to elevate the simplest start to your day. This blend of winter shimmer and summer fruit is both chic and energizing. Keep your workspace elegant with frosted fern arrangements in sleek mercury glass vases. Silver desk accessories and a white leather desk pad provide a clean, high-style professional environment. Small white twinkle lights tucked into a bookshelf can boost your mood during late-night projects. It is a perfect way to maintain a calm, winter-inspired focus throughout the busy spring season. Create a dreamlike nursery using ivory and cream silk ribbons tied to white wooden furniture. Large, shatterproof pearlescent ornaments can be safely displayed on high shelves to catch the nursery light. Soft white plush toys and faux sheepskin rugs add the necessary tactile comfort for a luxurious baby suite. The palette remains neutral and soothing while echoing the purity of a white Christmas. For the ultimate summer party, wrap your pillars in thick white ribbons and silver bells that chime in the breeze. Crystal chandeliers hung from pergola beams provide a regal lighting scheme for outdoor formal dinners. Serve chilled drinks in silver goblets to keep the holiday opulence flowing through the warmest nights of the year. We hope these ideas inspire you to create your own luxurious haven. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.